Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to tell you how to remove a background in Adobe Photoshop using a color range method. First of all, select an image in a Photoshop and go to the layers panel and duplicate that image. Now select the layer from which you want to remove the background and go to the select and color range option. Now select the background color using the eyedropper tool and adjust the selection using the fuzziness meter. Now go, if you want to add another color or in the selection, select the add dropper tool and adjust the selection again. Once you are satisfied, you can click OK and your selection will be made. Go to the select again and select the inverse. Once you have made your selection inverted, go select the quick selection tool and adjust or rectify your selection or readjust your selection if you want to. Once you are satisfied with your selection, you can click on mask on the layers panel and separate your subject from your background or your background from your subject. As you can see, our background has been removed, but there are still some work to do. The mask is not very good, it's a little bit imperfect, so we will use the brush tool to adjust or rectify our selection. So select your brush tool and try painting over your object and subject and adjust your selection. Once you are done, if you are still not satisfied, you can always go back to select and mask option and do a little bit of rectification there using the refine edge tool. You can always select the different channels from the channel panels here, different modes from here, and you can adjust the radius. You can also smooth or add the smoothness to your image and add the feather to your selection and add the context to your selection. You can also select the decontaminate color and click OK. Once you are satisfied with your refining, you can always change your background, and if there are still some irregularities, you can still adjust it and set it according to your background. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you next time.